Picture this. You're the captain of your one-person ship, sailing stormy seas with AI as your engine. It hums for 2 days, then sputter, crash. Waves of manual fixes crash over you, sinking hours you can't afford. I've been there myself, back when I was bootstrapping my first AI channel. My Zapier flow tanked mid-launch, costing me a whole weekend. If that hits home, you're not alone. Thousands of small founders and freelancers are drowning in similar rants on Reddit. A fresh 2025 MIT report drops the bomb. 95% of AI initiatives flop with zero ROI. But listen, I've got the life raft. In the next few minutes, I'll guide you through a 30-minute fix to make your workflows unsinkable. Let's reclaim your time and turn chaos into smooth sailing. All right, here's the real deal on why these AI workflows keep leaking like a busted bucket, pouring out your precious time. First off, triggers misfire like faulty spark plugs. You rig one up for fresh leads in your CRM, but if the input tweaks, a field name shifts, or format changes, it fizzles out, leaving your engine dead in the water. No alarm bells, just frustrating silence. Second, data drift creeps in like rust on metal. ChatGPT's outputs vary a tad, your spreadsheet gets a minor update, and boom. The whole chain corrodes and snaps. One Redditor captured it perfectly. My automation sank when I shuffled columns in Airtable, wasted a full day salvaging. Third, skipping error handling is like driving blindfolded. Problems stack up unseen until your setup's a total wreck. Another X-post vented, Zapier to ChatGPT keeps erroring on API hiccups. No clue why until it's too late. These aren't random storms, they're systemic holes from building without a solid blueprint. But my 3-step framework plugs them all. It's like overhauling your engine. Diagnose the leaks, debug the rust, scale for smooth rides. Easier than you think, no engineering degree required. Hang tight. This is how you stop bailing water and start cruising. Time to roll up our sleeves and fix this? Welcome to my 3-step fix framework. Diagnose, debug, scale. Think of it as mechanics magic for your AI engine. It'll cost you just 30 minutes. 5 to diagnose those hidden cracks, 15 to debug the weak spots, 10 to scale for longevity. We'll lean on no-code heroes like Zapier, Make, or N8N with AI as your trusty wrench, not some fairy dust. Step 1, diagnose. Kick off with a quick 5-minute inspection. In Zapier, pump in a sample input and trace where it stalls, like revving the engine to hear the knocks. Mirror that in Make. Simulate everyday data flows. This step's gold because it uncovers fractures before they shatter everything. Pro hack, call in Grok as your diagnostic scanner. Dissect this Zapier to Airtable trigger for potential misfires. It'll highlight sneaky issues like inconsistent data types sneaking in. Another hack, run tests with wildcard variations. Mimic real-world chaos to expose vulnerabilities early. Step 2, debug. Now the heavy lifting. 15 minutes to patch those leaks. Bolt-on error handling in Zapier, slide in a filter step to vet data mid-flow. If drift hits, reroute to a safe harbor. N8N's got error nodes for auto retries, turning fails into fixes. Level up with AI smarts. Query Grok, brainstorm error traps for a C. HATGPT content automation, list fixes. It might spit back, on token overflow, chop and retry with a refined prompt. Pro hack, wire up instant alerts via Slack or email. Get buzzed the second. Something wobbles, so you're the hero before the crash. Hack 2. In Make, flip on those native retries for spotty APIs. This transforms your brittle setup into a fortified fortress, weathering any data storm. Step 3. Scale. Finish strong in 10 minutes by installing safeguards. Zapier's dashboard logs are your radar. Scan for patterns weekly. For next level, add anomaly detection. Prompt Grok. Routinely sift my workflow logs for oddball errors. N8N shines here with built-in monitoring. Activate it. Why? It ensures your engine hums as your biz revs up. Pro hack. Duplicate the whole flow in Make as a shadow backup. Flip the switch if the main one coughs. Hack. Weave in AI consistency checks to flag drift before it derails. AI's not the wizard here. It's the reliable co-pilot in your system's overhaul. Nail this and your automations won't just survive, they'll thrive, evolving with your growth. If this is firing you up, dive into my free debug checklist below. Google Doc loaded with these exact prompts and checklists. Snag it now and get wrenching. Let's bring this to life with a real transformation tale. Picture Sarah, a gritty freelance marketer, her hero's journey starting in the trenches. Her ChatGPT Zapier email flow was a leaky ship, triggers sputtering on data shifts, no error nets to catch the falls. She was losing 2 hours weekly, manually bailing just to stay afloat. Time stolen from client hunts and creative sparks. Then she grabbed my framework. Diagnosed the core cracks in 5 minutes. Debugged with Grok's sharp insights in 15, sealing every gap. Scaled with monitoring in 10. turning vulnerability into vigilance. In 30 minutes, her workflow morphed from sinking wreck to sleek yacht. Now, 5 hours saved weekly, flipping 2-hour grinds into 10-minute oversights. That's not just efficiency, it's fuel for her business boom. More clients, bigger ideas, zero drownings. Your story can mirror hers. From frustration fog to clear horizons, proving systems like this aren't fixes, they're freedom machines. This isn't merely tweaking tech, it's your hero's arc. From battling workflow storms to captaining a thriving empire, buying back time to focus on the wins that grow your world, like nailing deals or sparking innovations. Make it yours today. Fire up the 3-step on your glitchy setup and hit the comments. What torpedoed yours and how'd the fix sail? Your story might star in my next video. For more AI workflow triumphs in 2025, like dodging Zapier automation fails, smash subscribe and ring that bell. Don't drift away. Next up, I'm unmasking the hidden AI costs quietly sinking your profits. Scoop that free checklist below, link in the desk. Let's anchor your automations for good. See you on the high seas.